My name is Sean Bridgen. I work at Nakata and I lead our strategic alliances. My role in the assembly is to represent academic advising because at the end of the day, academic advisors working with students are how rubber will meet the road with learning mobility. The assembly is a collection of people who care a lot about learners moving in between different institutions and finding ways to capture their learning throughout their lifetime so they can bring it from place to place. We're looking at doing things in a very innovative way as we see how institutions are going to need to transform to support the modern learner and our modern economy, especially with all the changes that are going on currently and what we anticipate in the future with AI. We choose to call the folks coming to the assembly participants because we really hope that they become an active part of not only learning themselves, but in the creation of the learning. It's a very constructivist environment we're trying to build. We're looking forward to seeing you all at the assembly. It's going to be an amazing event where we're all going to learn together and hopefully continue to co-create the future of higher education.